Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, back when I was in high school, not high school, elementary school, the lower grades of elementary school, like first grade, second grade, third grade, I went to a small school in Iowa, and they had back in that back schoolyard, they had a small hill. Okay, to us it was kind of a big hill, and we'd play King of the Mountain, I think it was called, and you usually had a ball, and you tried to be up on top of the mountain, or sometimes you didn't have a ball, and you were just trying to be on top of the mountain there. I think it was called King of the Mountain. It was a game we just made up, and there would be people there to knock you off, trying their best to knock you off so they could be king of the mountain. And your goal was to just stand firm, and people would come and knock into you and try and shove you off the mountain, and you were there to stay till till everyone quit and couldn't get you off. So that I bring that up because that's what kind of Paul is talking about today. It's not a game, though. And so this is taken again today from Philippians chapter 4, verses 1. And it's a three-part series, 3 descriptions of fellow believers. The first one was whom I love and long for, and that was 2 days ago. Yesterday we talked about my joy and my crown, and today we are talking about standing firm. Okay? So let's read here today, Philippians chapter 4, verse 1. It says, "Therefore, my brothers and sisters, you whom I love and long for, my joy and crown, stand firm in the Lord in this way, dear friends." Okay, so let's talk about that last one today, stand firm in the Lord. During this time period, there was a lot of false doctrine coming in and out of the church and so forth, and not even just the false doctrine, but people trying to get you to just give up the gospel. You'd have a neighbor that'd be like, "Are you still following Jesus?" And you'd be like, "Yeah, I'm still following Jesus." And then they'd give you, 20 reasons why you shouldn't be following Jesus. And so they were discouraging you from following Jesus. And then you had different false teachings that were going on, saying, "Oh, you know what? God is everywhere, and everything you look around, God is in. He's in my hat, and all this stuff. God is the hat," and all kinds of crazy stuff like that. Okay? And Paul is saying here, you fellow believers, he's saying, stand firm. Okay? People are going to be coming at you with this, deny your relationship with Jesus. Okay? Then they're going to be coming back at the other side with some crazy false doctrine. And you're just to stand firm. You are to stand on top of that little mountain there, and you're to stand firm. Those people come at you with all kinds of crazy stuff, and at the end of the day, you still need to be standing firm on top of that mountain through Jesus. Okay? And God is there to help you. If I'm to stand firm on my own, I'm going to get knocked down really, really quick. Okay? Now, a lot of times when we were playing the game, if you had a buddy, and he was a big friend of yours, and you'd be up there, and he would be up there beside you, and he'd just be shoving people away. They'd come up, these little kids would come up, and he would be beside you, and he'd just shove them away. Okay? That's the way it is in our Christian walk. People will come up to you, and Jesus is there to help you, to shove those people away. Okay? But you have to invite him to be a part of that too. Okay? You can't have the false teachers come up there, and you go, "Oh, false teachers. Come on up here and stand right beside me. I want to hear all about your false teaching." No, get rid of them, okay? Or if someone comes up and says, "Why are you following Jesus? Let me give you 20 reasons why you shouldn't follow Jesus." Don't invite them up and entertain that. Get rid of them, okay? So stand firm. That's the thing for today. The third thing, for 3 descriptions of fellow believers, the last one is to stand firm. So today, you need to stand firm. Lord's blessing. I'll see you tomorrow.